Hey, what's good, boys? We got two trades to go over for today. We ended up taking one break even, um, and the other trade I took was like I was probably close to an hour. I was in the trade, was not expecting it to be that long, but overall we ended up um, up around 1,500 on five Top Step accounts for the day. Um, no complaints. Uh, Besides price action being a little bit choppy, kind of unexpected, to be honest. I thought we were going to really rally up towards the new week opening gap, possibly fill that today, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, the bias for today, I was bullish. You know, when we have new week opening gaps like this, um, chances are it's going to get filled that week. So I'm really just bullish until we fill it, right? Pretty simple. So, anyways, at open, I wanted to see us, come down, maybe hit this 15-minute fair value gap right here. We had London below that too, but that was over 100 points away, so I didn't need to see that much manipulation. But let me fast forward to open. So at open, we rally up, and this was kind of like just a confirmation that we were going to be bullish for the day. Now we form this 5-minute gap here. I'm just waiting for it to get tapped into, so then I can hopefully take continuation longs from there. So we did that, tapped it, put in an SMT, no SMT, sorry. And then this 1-minute inverse was really just the my entry, right? I'm waiting for that to get inversed, and then for a pretty perfect 1-to-1. The market was pretty volatile today anyway, so risking about 1,000 to make 1,000, just a 1-to-1. Unfortunately, we ended up getting break even. Go break even here, and then we get tapped. It actually did end up playing out, so it was on me. Probably, it's kind of one of those trades where you don't have to go break even, but I just probably felt a little more comfortable with it at the time. Let's see, and then from here, kind of just waiting for another continuation entry, So we ended up coming down. Here we tap into this 15-minute gap and also a 5-minute, I believe. No, sorry, ES tapped into the 5-minute, and that's where we made the SMT. We had this big push up. Obviously, there's no gap here. The 1 minute here has been tapped multiple times. I didn't want to take that. And that was really it for the gap. So I was kind of just playing off this breakaway gap in a way. So I put a buy limit here. Waited to get tapped in. Stop would be at this low, because if we inverse this 1 minute, I don't want to be, I don't want to be in the trade anymore at that point. But there we go. We get entered there. We end up making, and this wasn't, I didn't really have a TP at this time. I was kind of like ranging from here to here, but you'll see in a second. So we actually make equal lows here. And I told myself, if we sweep these, I'm still confident in the draw higher. So I'd like us to go higher, if that makes sense. So I actually added a contract, which I do very rarely. So I added one con there, same stop loss. Now I'm TPing for this high. And from here, we actually make a nice move up. And yeah, TP was hit there. Boom. And I know I said it was up 1,500 because I actually took a loss as well. Earlier in the session, I tried it for another continuation long. I didn't put it in because I'm not going over it because it wasn't the best trade. I'm definitely not happy about that trade, but I think it was kind of just more of a discretionary trade, if that makes sense. Yeah, that was a trade. This trade was also very discretionary just because we didn't get that entry. Like, if we got like an inverse here after we got this resweep, and then we closed here or something and got like this type of RR, I probably would have just TP'd at these highs here. But yeah, that wasn't the case today. And sometimes you just gotta trust yourself, trust your drawn liquidity, and the rest is kind of history. You just gotta let the market do its thing, you know. But yeah, that's the recap for today. Kind of a sloppy day. I'm not gonna lie to you, but hopefully the rest of the week we get some better opportunities. I'm sure we will, considering all the news we got this week and everything. So yeah, boys, I'm gonna leave my Discord down below. If you want to join up the one-on-one mentorship, go for it. I lowered the price. It's kind of like a little sale I'm doing, you know, for the beginning of the year, trying to grow the community and everything. And yeah, I'll catch you boys hopefully this week again. So peace out. See you then.